Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the new Cash App Pool feature. You'll learn how to create a pool, add members, make contributions, and finally close the pool when you're done. I'll walk you through the full process right on the Cash App screen so you can follow along easily. In the previous video, we explained what the Cash App Pool feature is. You'll find that link in the description. Now, let's talk about how to actually use it, how to add members, and how the contribution system works. Let's go step by step directly on the mobile screen. First, you will open Cash App on your mobile phone. At the bottom, you'll see your balance. Above that, there's the Pay button, and on the left side, you'll see the Pool button. This is the new feature that was launched on July 29, 2025. We can directly access this feature from the Cash App homepage. If we click on our balance, we'll see an interface like this. Here too, we get the option of pools. By clicking on it, we can see all the pools we have created or the ones that are currently active. Now, let's talk about how to create a pool. For this, you have to click on Pool. As soon as you click on it, the first thing it will ask is the total amount. For example, if you want contributions of $200 from 5 people, including yourself, you'll need to type $1,000 here. Then, you have to write the name of the purpose for which you're creating this contribution. For example, if you're going on a trip, type the name of the trip, or if it's for a donation, write that here. After that, click Start. Once you click Start, you'll see an interface like this. Here, the goal of your pool will show $1,000, and so far, $0 have been contributed. You'll also see 3 dots here. By clicking on them, you'll get options to add or remove people, and if you want to close the pool, you can do that from here too. Now suppose you want to contribute $200. For this, you have to click on the Contribute button. As soon as you click on it, you'll be asked to enter the amount. Just type $200 and click Contribute. After that, with authentication or PIN verification, your payment will be successful. Then you'll see $200 deposited and 20% part of the circle will turn green. As more people contribute, the circle will keep filling up in green until it's complete. Now let's see how to add people. For this, you have to click on Add People. Once you click it, you'll see an interface like this. From here, you can directly add people from your contact list who are already using Cash App by simply clicking Add. If your friend is not using Cash App, you can still share it with them from here. You can send the payment link through WhatsApp or any other messenger. You can also copy the link and send it. In this way, even if your friend doesn't use Cash App, they'll still be able to contribute. So this is how the whole contribution system works. Once all your members have contributed, you'll see the Close Pool option here. By clicking on it, you can close the pool and the total amount will be added to your Cash App wallet. That's why this new feature is really very useful.